Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna show you highway restaurant in Korea. Korean highway rest areas are completely different from American ones. First, there are no McDonald's.
No way!
Even though there aren't any McDonald's or Burger Kings, there are more things to do. Eat, shop, exercise. There are even playgrounds for your dog. Today, I'm gonna show you where to shop, how to use Korean exercise equipment, and of course, what to eat. Every rest area in Korea has two separate eating areas. The first area is inside and will usually be set up like a food court. They have two different cafes and a bunch of different restaurants. Let's see what I can get at here. You can get bibimbap, ramen, pork cutlet, kimbap, and there's usually a cafe of some sort. But you can get those foods anywhere, so I'm not gonna talk about them too much. The second eating area is outside, facing the parking lot. This area is lined with takeout shops selling snacks that you can only find at highway rest area in Korea. I will tell you what you have to get us. If your first time to be here, you gotta feel the vibe. Let's get it. I bought 방건조 오징어, which is half-dried squid. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. I also bought tonggamjat, fried Korean potato. Sprinkle some salt on top. This seems not authentic. It should be bigger. Like, I'll post it. You can find the picture right here. I'm gonna post it. Here. Now. I don't know. I want to do it for a long time. Anyway, it's like usually bigger, and it seems like they put something on top of the potato, but it's not usually like that. Let's try it. I really like it. Really salty, but not too salty. It's like a nice saltiness of with the potato. This potato is like not a French fries, but baked potato. Between the French fries and a baked potato. And it seems like you want to have a French fry, but you want to be, I want to be healthy. Or maybe you should get this. Just like right in a between. And yeah, this is my childhood. When I was young, when we go to the countryside with my parents, we always went to this rest area, and this is what I wanted it. I don't know why. Because it's like nowhere else you can get it, kinda. If you can find it in Seoul, please comment it where I can buy it. So, yeah, let's try it.
It's my childhood.
Since it's half dry, it's like it's really chewy, and with the spicy sauce, it's cherry on top. Did I use it right?
Why not?
Since this was my first time driving to a Korean highway rest area since I was a little kid, I feel like I'm sharing my childhood with you. Rest area in Korea usually have two shopping areas too. The first area is inside. This is mostly like a sportswear, like for the golf or stuff. I don't think I want to go inside, it's not my style. These stores are pretty average, so we can skip over them. But the second shopping area is really special. I never thought this kind of thing would be interesting until I started filming. The whole rest area made me feel nostalgic, but especially the second shopping area felt like traveling in time from 2018 to 1990. It's a tape. When is the last time you saw the tape?
Oh.
It's all tape. This shopping area is outside, near the outdoor eating area, and caters to the older visitors of the rest area. Even from the parking lot, you can hear this old-fashioned Korean music, Tra. I know, it's groovy, right? Yep. This is pre-K-pop Korean music. You can buy everything here from golden karaoke microphones to chairs made from berries used in oriental medicine. It's some kind of berry, like fruit.
It's fruit? It's a fruit seed? Interesting.
There are also car accessories. This was my favorite things in this store. Can you guess what it is?
When you drive, you can block the sun.
Why?
You don't need to put the sunscreen because in the night you get tan.
I didn't expect exercise machines to be in rest areas, so why not try it out?
I don't think you should work out after eating. Are you having fun? Okay, this is it for today's episode. And we're gonna drive home, so see you next week.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you want to see more video, it's over there, and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below and I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!